So we're gonna get the old tractor here. I got a Yanmar 1510. I don't even know what year it is. I just bought it from my buddy Steve over at Shelburne RV, but I think it's about as old as I am. So works great. I got a few quirks to work out of it, but we are going to show you that we can get this fixed with the old tractor. Now, I'm going to tell you, I look kind of goofy on this tractor, but you know, if you want to stay around and watch some driveway grading with the old tractor with a big fat boy on top of it, stick around and let's have some fun. All right, so our first step in getting this thing off here is putting this tailgate down, and that was a big pain in the butt until I got these Vevor spring assists that I put on another video, which I'll link that to below. I have it unlatched already. You're gonna pull it out. Look, it'll even stay by itself right there. This thing probably weighs, I don't know, 150 pounds. I always say 200, but it feels like it. But the spring's rated to 180. So just set that down real gentle like. One of the problems I have to fix is the alternator on here, which I have a new one. It's supposed to be delivered in the mail today, so we'll have that as a project too. All right, come on, old girl. Yeah, I might need a little starter fluid. Yep. Couple squirts there. What I'm talking about. So while we're driving down off this mountain, let's talk about things that went right and things that went wrong. You know, this was a really muddy time to be coming up here to grade this driveway. I wasn't aware of that whenever I, came down this way. But all in all, I think we ended up getting it okay. Some of those areas were a little bit thin with the gravel, so I kind of scalped the dirt in some areas. But the areas at the very end of the driveway that was all messed up, in the areas there's a big dip that's about 20 feet in, and we got all that fixed. So all in all, I'm going to have to bring that back up here when everything's dried and kind of go over it again. There's not like a lot of fines to kind of pack between the gravels there, but they asked me to get some of the ruts out of there, so I did that. the main area they were concerned about was in the yard, but I couldn't do that because it was so muddy. It was holding water, so obviously I couldn't get the ruts down out of there. We'll come back and do that again here shortly, as well as we got some other work lined up there. So we're gonna dig some footers for their tiny house. We're going to run some water lines for it. We're gonna help them get some stuff done there. So stay tuned for the next project.